Ooh. Suddenly, why is it so cold? Look what! I have got tiny bumps on my arms. Did I turn into baby dinosaur? No. Well, long time ago, humans had lots of body hair, just like furry animals. And when they felt cold or scared, their hairs would straighten up to make them feel warm or to make them feel bigger in front of their enemies. Even today, our body has those muscles called as erector pili muscles under each hair. Whenever we feel cold, scared, or excited, these muscles pop and they pull the hair straight, which we called as tiny bumps, and that is called as goosebumps. Okay, so you are not converting into a dinosaur. Actually, it's your superhero skin protecting you. So hit like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel KRR Shine Academy if you ever had goosebumps. Thank you.